To crop an image in PowerPoint, you need to insert the desired image into your presentation by clicking the Insert tab and selecting Pictures. Choose the image source from the drop-down menu. Click on the image and right-click to access a pop-up menu where you will find the Crop option, which brings up black crop handles around the edges of the image. Adjust the crop area by clicking and dragging the handles. You can crop from any side or corner of your image, and to maintain the aspect ratio, press and hold the Shift key while dragging a corner handle. Once you're satisfied with the new boundaries, click anywhere outside the image or press the Enter key to apply the crop. Adjusting crop size to maintain aspect ratio. After selecting the image, go to the Picture Format tab. Click on the Crop button, then choose Aspect Ratio from the drop-down menu. Select your preferred ratio. The image will adjust to the chosen aspect ratio, displaying a preview of the crop. Reposition the image within the frame by clicking and dragging it to ensure the most important parts are included. Resize the crop frame if needed by dragging the edges or corners. To finalize the crop with the maintained aspect ratio, click on the Crop button again or press the ESC key. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.